This is the alley canoe. Got 2 seats. These pieces go in the bow and stern. Ropes, repair kit and assembly kit, bag for transportation. This is the skin. Skin's in excellent shape, no holes whatsoever. It's got a little bit of dirt on it. Cleaned it up as good as I could after a 12-day run up in Alaska. These are the poles used to assemble them. They go together much like, say, a Eureka tent. It's got shot cord inside and just spring connect them together. Clips hold the seats in place. This is a flotation piece. It goes in the bottom of the canoe. It's basically a big piece of foam rubber. It's in pretty decent shape. You'll see a couple of pieces of duct tape on here. This was from the initial installation. Made a couple of small tears in it, similar to what you see here. I just took the duct tape and covered it up so I didn't make anything worse. There are a couple of minor imperfections. I'm zooming in on them. Doesn't hurt anything as far as performance of the boat. The watertight seal is made on that green skin and nothing goes through all the way to the bottom. I'll flip it over and show you opposite side. These are all the support pieces. All in excellent condition, no problems, nothing is broken. I've got pieces of tape on here as such, just to aid in the assembly, so you can tell the 4 green stripes will match up to, say, the 4 green stripes over here will match up to the 4 green stripes over there. Just makes assembly a little easier the first time you try it. It can be a little confusing. That's the remainder of the poles. I'll take another shot, flipping over so you can see the bottom side of the flotation and the bottom side of the skin.